Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to select layers in Photoshop CC. So guys, to select any layer in Photoshop there are some method. First one, so you will see select tab, click on it. Here you will see option like select all, so it will select all layer. And also guys, you can deselect, again click on select and click on deselect. You can select by using shortcut Ctrl A, and to deselect press Ctrl D, like Ctrl A and Ctrl D. Now another way you can use this panel, select any layer by clicking on it like this. If you want to select multiple layer, so now select any layer, then press shift and select another layer like this. So like this guys, you can select layers in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this video.